Right, I've been asked several occasions what my little hack was for getting my tubeless tyre on my tubeless wheel without a compressor and without having a faff about and just be a general idiot. Well, I've seen it on YouTube once and I found one and I went and bought it. One of these little 5 litre sprayer. I'm going to show you quickly how to do it. I'll put it on YouTube. There can be a few people that oh, I'm a fucking idiot. I don't give a monkeys. It's worked for me. I'm going to show you on my tyre. I cheated slightly. It's still got a bit of sealant in it. So my advice is maybe lube up the rims, maybe make them a bit moist. And then away you go. So I'm going to show you quick. Obviously, it's off the beads now, so this is what I do. Get your little sprayer bit. Gone. Take this bit out of the pipe. It's a bit of a faff. Get that bit. Put the pipe back on. Real simple. And faffing it back on. The reason why I've done this, because I was contemplating to get to the compressor, but I couldn't really afford one. Got to be sensible with money, so I thought, sod it. I'll try a sack out, see how it goes. And it's worked wonders for me. So there we go. That is it. That's literally all you got to do. Tighten it up, put the pipe you pulled out from the inside of there onto there. Happy days. Obviously you've got what might help. Take your valve core out, if you can see it. That'll get a sudden burst of air inside of there. It's probably not going to work now. I'm going to look like the right bloody idiot and waste my time. Anyway, so pump this up. Give me a little while. Sing to yourself, pump up the jam if you want. All fun and games, eh? Things we do to have a bit of fun. Luckily I'm left-handed. I'm using my left hand, catch my drift. Keep pumping up to really start to struggle. Right. Probably going to get a bit of splash back here because obviously there's still a bit of sealant in there and the rims are still a bit wet. Pipe straight over, bit of a tight fit over the valve. Then are you ready? Steady. On. Bish bash bosh. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. Get your valve core ready. is that really. Thanks for watching. Name's Adrian. Keep on riding. Always wear a helmet, dickheads.